We are always looking towards our future and interested in trying new things. The other week we went into town to see STEM in action. Let's have a look.
Hello, my name's Yirara. I'm the Director for Education and Engagement for a company called Life Journey, and we have a platform which is called the Day of STEM. STEM means science, technology, engineering and maths, and it's a virtual mentoring platform, so it provides these champions online for students to see what the jobs of the future are all about. We're here at Alice Springs at Centralian Senior School. It's a collaborative project with the Northern Territory Department of Education to introduce STEM careers of the future to a number of schools in Alice Springs. As we all know, the world is changing very rapidly and there are all these new jobs, new terms, new technologies, and why we're here today is to try and give an insight to students of what might be out there that they might be interested in.
And even play soccer like a pro. Do you want more technical details? You know, to avoid walking.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We hope to inspire many students about the Day of STEM platform and all of the activities that are happening here in robotics, in holograms, in drones, etc., to inspire them into careers that they can do for the NT. And we hope to be back next year, again back in Alice, but also to visit other parts of the Northern Territory to keep on inspiring those students and teachers about the new careers of the future.